Cash App has a significant limitation that sets it apart from many other financial apps. Unlike traditional banking applications, Cash App does not provide a direct sign out of all devices button in its settings. This means that if you want to secure your account by logging out of all devices, you need to manually log out from each device individually. This can be time consuming and impractical if you have multiple devices or have lost access to some of them. However, there's a key method that can help you remotely secure your Cash App account. By changing your Cash App PIN, you can force a logout on most devices, which acts as the closest equivalent to a remote logout feature. Here's how to change your Cash App PIN step by step. First, open Cash App on a trusted device and tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Privacy and Security from the menu options. This will take you to the security settings where you can manage various account protection features. Now look for and select Change PIN from the security options. This will prompt you to enter your current PIN first for verification purposes. Finally, enter your new PIN twice to confirm the change. Make sure to choose a PIN that is secure but memorable. Once confirmed, this change will force most devices to log out, effectively securing your account remotely. Remember, while Cash App doesn't offer a traditional sign out of all devices feature, changing your PIN is the most effective method to remotely secure your account. This forces logout on most devices and should be your go-to solution when you need to quickly secure your Cash App account. The most straightforward way to secure your Cash App account is to manually sign out from each device. This gives you direct control over where your account remains active. This method ensures you have complete control over each device, but requires physical access to every device where Cash App is installed. In extreme situations, such as when your device is stolen or you suspect unauthorized access, you should contact Cash App support immediately to temporarily suspend your account. Account suspension is a last resort that requires identity verification to reactivate, but it's the most effective way to immediately secure your account when you can't access your devices. Beyond logout methods, implementing strong security practices is essential for protecting your Cash App account. Start by enabling biometric authentication in your security settings. Regular account monitoring is crucial for early detection of suspicious activity. Check your transaction history frequently and review all account activity. Remember, proactive security measures are always more effective than reactive ones. By combining multiple logout methods with strong security practices, you can keep your Cash App account safe and secure.